Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is gonna about DIY face mist, or you can say toner at home. Green tea has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. This means that green tea is beneficial for wide range of skin problems and skin issues, and beneficial for your skin health also. Now take a pan and add 1 cup of water in it. Let them warm. As you can see that my warm water is ready now. Take out in a cup. Now take out the green tea bags from. I am using Lipton green tea. You can use any green tea. I am adding 2 green tea bags for my toner. Now I am going to add green tea bags in the warm water. Keep it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see that my toner is ready. Now take out the tea bags from it. Now I am going to store it in the spray bottle. As you can see that my toner is ready, and I had put this in the spray bottle. You can store this toner for 1 week. You can see that it hydrates your skin properly. Hope this video is helpful to all. Hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also press the bell icon for the new update. Till then, bye.